Turn a small bowl upside down on a plate. Place 2 fresh chicken legs on it, along with ginger slices and scallions. Steam over high heat for 20 minutes, then let it rest for 2 minutes. Keep the tasty soup for later. Let the chicken cool down and tear it into pieces. Combine low-sodium soy sauce, red scallion oil, and the reserved soup. Drizzle the mixture over the chicken and top with white sesame seeds. It's super easy and absolutely delicious. Crispy, chewy, oozing. Mix 1 tablespoon of flour, brown sugar, and white sesame seeds for the filling. Combine glutinous rice flour with milk, then knead into dough. Take a piece of dough, make a hole, and add filling. Shape into pancakes, put them in the pan, and spray oil on top. Fry over low heat until golden brown on both sides. They're done. Simple and delicious, a lovely homemade snack for everyone. Crack 3 eggs, add a cup of hot water and a little salt. Stir it up good. Place the bowl on the steaming rack, then skim off the foam. Steam on medium heat for 10 minutes. Drizzle with oil and light soy sauce. Top with scallions. Then you can serve and enjoy. Give it a go. Heat oil in the wok. Add the marinated beef and stir-fry quickly until browned. Set aside. Add a little more oil. Stir-fry onion, scallion whites, and shredded carrot until fragrant. Add bean sprouts and soaked rice noodles right away. Season with a little dark soy sauce, light soy sauce, a pinch of salt, and oyster sauce. Stir well over high heat. Put the beef back in and mix well quickly. Finish with chopped scallions, then serve and enjoy. Give it a go. Heat oil in a wok. Add minced garlic and chili oil. Stir-fry until fragrant. Add hand-torn cabbage. High-heat stir-fry until softened. Season with a pinch of salt and low-sodium light soy sauce. Toss well. Drizzle on some black vinegar. Give everything a fast final toss and it's all done. Crisp, zesty, and delicious. Simple salted egg yolk crispy wings recipe. Cut wings open in the middle with scissors. Add ginger, green onion, Cantonese rice wine, salt and light soy sauce. Mix well and marinate for 15 minutes. Coat marinated wings lightly with starch. Heat oil in pan. Fry over medium-low heat until golden and crispy on both sides. Pick out with chopsticks. And sweet tablespoon of salted egg yolk spread. Cook on low heat while stirring until tiny bubbles form. Put wings back in. Toss evenly to coat and done. Crispy outside, juicy and tender inside. Give it a go. Easy homemade stir-fried beef. Heat the wok with cooking oil. Add beef. Stir-fry on high heat until browned. Then set aside. Pour in a bit more cooking oil. Add scallion, garlic, and red bell peppers. Stir-fry quickly until aromatic. Return the beef to the wok. Season with soy sauce and oyster sauce. Stir-fry quickly over high heat and it's done. Simple to make and delicious. This cheesy potato ham pie turns out absolutely mouth-watering. Take cooked potatoes, mix with salt, black pepper, and a little milk. Mash until smooth. Lay 1 frozen flaky pastry sheet in the pan. Add mozzarella cheese. Spread potato mash. Top with another layer of cheese. Cover with a second pastry sheet. Seal edges firmly. Sprinkle black sesame seeds on top. Cook over medium-low heat. Flip once golden. Fry both sides till crispy golden brown. One bite, pure bliss.